just be informed that our students, the numbers are already getting higher and higher because many study programs and also for many huge applicants to UNHAS.
Are you Dutch students or?
You're from France? Yeah.
From French. So visited the Netherlands. Okay.
So they all want to visit, I think that's why.
Every night, are we paradise, paradise seems so far away.